Yeah, in my case, it's so hard kasi as I said, becoming a father is my greatest dream and my greatest fear. So, there are times, no, they are so makulit, and then I tend to shout at them, yeah! You know, like this one. If I cannot control myself, and then she's the one who really, what did you do that? You're ano, ganon. There are times that even after shouting with them, then I will cry. Why did I do that? And then I had regret. But you had to discipline them to some extent, you know, you cannot just give in to all of their demands. Ganun. I think becoming a father is really mysterious on my part in a way na nagalit ka, pero nasasaktan ka. Yun. You express your love through hating them kasi nga hindi tama yung ginagawa nila. And she's best at that. She's pulling me back. Na kapag medyo sumobra ka doon, Dad, ganon, she's telling me, what did you do to your daughter? You know, they are really young. And then she made me go back to my senses na, oh, what I did is really wrong. Siguro, tama man siya, but it's too much. And then I realized, yun, ganon. There are things and then there's one thing I remember, the first time we bring Jinjo in the emergency room because of sipon. Ito, first parent, right? So, when the kids are young, they do not know how to singa, you know, yung hindi sila makaganon. So, ito, hirap na huminga yung anak ko, and then how many holy song we play already, and then we do unison prayer already. But when I look at my daughter, cannot breathe. So, mommy, let's go to the emergency room. And then when we go to the emergency room, our daughter is the healthiest among the patients there. Yes. And then they ask me, first parent? Because of sipon.
First baby.
Yeah, first baby, gano'n. Because of sipon. Yun. Anyway, those are really, ang saya niyang isipin to look back at as a parent because those were our ignorant moment in our life, but it really adds up. Yung uncertainty na parang, yung fear na any moment baka mawala, yun, any moment na tama ba yung ginagawa mo, is this right as a father, is this right as a mother to them? Along the way, there are still different decisions also. For one thing, we move now to Antipolo. Big decisions, even before Jinjo was conceived. Our goal was to really move to Antipolo for the school. Our target, not our career, not our money, but the education of our second generation. So, there are relative to be discussed points in our life, and there are also absolute. Just like Antipolo, it's absolute. That one, you cannot question whether it is right or wrong. For us, we already make a decision as husband and wife, go there. Ganun. That's how, lots of discussion. We had many pillow talk. Yon. I remember, what's that one? The Korean movie that we watched before. Yung about, when they died, they go to the different levels of hell. Anong tawag doon? Yun, along with the gods. So, we watched that one, I remember. And then after watching it, then we share reflection. We both are like, ayun, ganun kaming moments. Yeah, and I think it really helps. Sometimes, not always you have to show you are strong as a husband. There are times also you have to let go of your defenses and you let your wife enter those vulnerable part of your life. It's really sharing to them kung sino ka, not just as a boss outside, as a president of an NGO, but really sometimes as a weak child to your mother. Ganon. At least that's my philosophy.
The biggest son. Oh, his mother talk is a lot. When we are pregnant, we don't care already. So when we give birth, when we see the first time, this is my baby. How to say? Of course, mother is more patient more than father, like you said. So I just pull back. How to say? When you are mother, or that you're really angry, like before, you will stop. And then how to say? It's like automatic, natural that you can keep calm, and then you can see that what they do, just let them do. Messy.
Hindi niya ako sinasabayan.
Cosmetic, everything. Okay. So when you be a mother, okay. So when you have one, okay already. But when you have two, it's more okay and time. So that's why who have so many baby is really big, how to say,
Heart,
big
big
heart.
heart.
Sometimes I'm regret also why I do like this to my daughter. Why I focus on work more than them. How to say, and then I'm regret. But we cannot go back anymore. The best thing that mother should do is, okay, let it pass. Something happened already to our baby. Just let it pass and then continue to do the best one to your daughter. That's not the thing that. See, about mother talk.
Mother's tears. Hindi ko tinipid yung I love you with my daughters. Like every day, if not every day, then most of the days I really express to them, daddy love you. One thing that's my regret because I never told that one to my mother always. And that's one of my biggest regret na hindi ko nagawa sa parents ko. And I hope hindi maramdaman din ng mga anak ko towards me. So, yun yung one thing. In terms of expressing love to them and to my wife, hindi ko tinitipid right now. I do not want to come to a day na, sorry, they will go, to the spirit world without me expressing how much I love them. I think because of the regret with my mother, ganun yung nangyari. And as I said, if there is one thing that I would want to instill with my daughters, do not hate other people, do not hate your parents. There will come a day that you will hate them because of some mistake, but do not dwell on that hatred. You have to move past that hatred, and we know for sure that you love your parents. Ganun. In the end naman, one thing that we could realize, your biggest enemy is not your parents, but it's Satan who make you hate your parents that much. You have to overcome not your parents, but the Satan in you. Kaya mahalin lang natin ang isa't isa mga anak. Yun, that's one thing na gusto kong i-share. One thing I would want to my children to learn from me, that kind of values.
I want to cry.
Tissue.
Yeah, it's because mother heart, of course. Just love them. I don't know. Like I said, sometimes I regret, but cannot turn back already. So just do our best in the future and nearly future. Just let it go that already happened, and then just try to fix. But it cannot fix. Do not regret or do not sad that why. Sometimes God will tell you something wrong.
Yeah. And becoming a parent is mysterious. It's a gift in a way na you would realize you are the worst parent. Sometimes you realize you are the worst parent because you did that to your daughter.
Yeah.
But in a way, you realize na you have no other option but to do that because you want them to have a good life. Ganun. There's no perfect parent, but they are always parent doing their best for their children.
Yeah.
Especially for second generation.
Yeah. Of course.
Ganun.
Thank you.
Yeah, I remember when Jinju was born, I'm so thankful. It's like the reason why I enjoy in the life of faith doing missions and everything, not because of, that big result in fundraising or that big result in witnessing, but basically to have that God's lineage in our family. And finally, when a second generation was born, one thing that I realized, I cried at the time na this is the real result of my mission. This is the real result why we did not give up on each other, although we really, really, really want to give up. That's the result, having that second generation in our family, the best one. And we do realize it's so important, Jinju and Hiraya is a gift to us. And sometimes, if we failed, to take care of that gift, we were crying. And then we reflect, what I did was really wrong. I felt so bad that I am this kind of parent, but I will do my best to become better. It's common story in our life right now. Choose your wife every day. What did I say that one? One thing that I realized, according to her, determination also is very much important. First, determination na until the end, it's really it's really each other. What's good was that her parents showed to us, as I said, a model. Right now, there are two siblings, her and then her sister, who both have their family. She is now here in the Philippines, and her elder sister is with the husband living in the other house. So, it's only my parent-in-law, her mother and her father together, traveling a lot and everything. And then, so I realized, time come when our daughter and our daughters will have their own family. Who will remain? It's only me and her. So, you have to really accept, that she is the only woman who will be with you until the end of your life before you go to the spirit world. And you have to really realize this one. Knowing this, siya pala yung pipiliin mo every day, because you will know that no matter what happens, she will be with me, until the end of her life or my life or our life here on earth. And one more thing is that you would realize that conditioning yourself na siya talaga every day. And then if you are relate with the other women, you can relate with them as sisters. But more than that one, you have to stop yourself. You have to, define that demarcation line na hanggang dito lang. She is the woman, other are zombies, or other are monkeys. Ganon. If you, have a relationship with this one, you're having relationship with a zombie. That's how I realize, at least in my part. In that way, I could protect myself, and then I could enrich my relationship with her. I could relate with the other women as mother, as sister, or younger sister, or elder sister, but not as wife. Siya lang. In terms of conjugal relationship, only her. Others are zombie. That's how at least I fell in love with her every day. The only women in my eyes. Thank you so much, SJ Testimonies, for giving us this wonderful experience. There are things na I never heard. That's like dancing. But thank you for this opportunity. I never expected that we'll get more than we give to the people. For one thing, because of this interview, there are parts of my wife that I could understand more. Kaya prepare those of you who are next. Kapon Kra!